Have you ever seen vegetables so big they look like they belong in a fairy tale? The Amish have been using time-tested soil secrets for generations, growing crops that are not only enormous but also packed with nutrients. And guess what? You can do it too. Today we're uncovering 10 Amish soil secrets that can turn your garden into a thriving, bountiful paradise. Stick around because hack number 10 is a game changer that most modern gardeners overlook. Before we dive into the hacks, let's talk about why Amish soil techniques work so well. Unlike modern industrial farming, Amish gardening focuses on working with nature rather than against it. They avoid chemical shortcuts, prioritize soil health, and rely on age-old wisdom. Now let's break down their best-kept secrets. The Amish believe in feeding the soil, not just the plants. They use a rich blend of composted manure, kitchen scraps, and organic matter to create a nutrient-dense foundation. Chicken, cow, and horse manure, when properly composted, add essential nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. The result? Dark, crumbly soil that plants absolutely love. Amos, an Amish farmer in Pennsylvania, swears by his 3-year composting cycle. He layers cow manure with straw and kitchen waste, turning it every few months. By the time he applies it to his garden, the compost is dark, rich, and full of life. Composting introduces beneficial microorganisms that break down organic material, improving soil structure and water retention. Dry, lifeless soil? Not in an Amish garden? Deep mulching is their secret to retaining moisture, reducing weeds, and keeping the soil cool. Straw, wood chips, and even shredded leaves act as a natural blanket, preventing evaporation and enriching the soil as they decompose. If you're not mulching, you're missing out on one of the simplest ways to supercharge your soil. In the scorching summer months, an Amish woman named Miriam keeps her tomatoes thriving by applying a 6-inch layer of straw mulch. While neighboring gardens struggle, hers remains lush and green. Mulch reduces water evaporation and suppresses weeds, creating a stable microclimate for plant roots. Ever wonder why your soil seems to lose its magic over time? The Amish solve this by practicing crop rotation. By planting different crops each season, they naturally balance nutrients and prevent soil depletion. For example, after growing nitrogen-hungry corn, they plant legumes like beans or peas, which replenish nitrogen in the soil. It's like giving your garden a fresh start every year. Jacob, a third-generation Amish farmer, rotates his fields every year. Corn one year, beans the next, then squash. His soil stays fertile without artificial fertilizers. Different plants use and replenish various nutrients, preventing depletion and soil fatigue. Bare soil is a wasted opportunity. The Amish plant cover crops like clover, rye, or alfalfa during the off-season to prevent erosion, improve soil structure, and add organic matter. When tilled under in the spring, these green fertilizers enrich the earth and prepare it for the next planting cycle. Who needs store-bought fertilizers when your kitchen has everything you need? Amish gardeners make use of banana peels for potassium, eggshells for calcium, and coffee grounds for nitrogen. By burying these directly into the soil or steeping them in water for a natural compost tea, they create homemade plant food that costs nothing but works wonders. Don't toss out that fireplace ash. The Amish use wood ash to add potassium and lime to their soil, which balances acidity and strengthens plant roots. Just be sure to use untreated wood ash and apply it in moderation. Too much can alter pH levels more than you'd like. Healthy soil is alive, and nothing aerates it better than earthworms. Amish farmers encourage earthworm populations by adding compost, avoiding chemical pesticides, and keeping their soil moist. These tiny workers break down organic matter, improve drainage, and help plant roots grow deeper. Amish farmers don't rely on treated tap water for their gardens. Instead, they collect and use rainwater, which is free of chlorine and rich in natural minerals. Setting up a rain barrel system in your backyard can make a massive difference in plant health and water conservation. Forget chemical pesticides. The Amish use nature's own pest control by planting companion plants. Basil repels pests from tomatoes, marigolds deter nematodes, and onions keep carrot flies at bay. It's an all-natural way to keep your plants safe and thriving. Soil pH can make or break your garden, and the Amish have a simple way to test it without fancy gadgets. They mix a bit of soil with vinegar. If it fizzes, the soil is alkaline. If it doesn't react, they add baking soda. If that fizzes, the soil is too acidic. With this easy trick, they adjust pH naturally using lime for acidity or sulfur for alkalinity. Now that you know these 10 Amish soil hacks, imagine the possibilities in your own garden. Try them out and let us know in the comments which ones work best for you. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with a fellow gardener. Happy growing, and we'll see you in the next one.